Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to activate Airplay on Samsung TV. Let's go. Open Settings. All settings. General. Network. Turn on. Network status. Your Apple device and your TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Airplay settings. Turn on. Require code. Select first time only. Connect to Wi-Fi. Turn on Airplay. Select your TV. Enter password. That's it. Now you know how to activate Airplay on Samsung TV. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.